हाय फ्रेंड्स। सो ये कहा जाता है कि ऑल वर्क एंड नो प्ले मेक्स जैक अ डल बॉय। और अब इस नए नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आने के बाद कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि हम और डल रहेंगे या हम अपने सपनों की उड़ान को पूरा नहीं कर पाएंगे। 5 सितंबर को शुरू हुआ हमारा ये सपना, जहां पर हमने शहर के 7 लीडिंग एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स और विसामो किड्स फाउंडेशन को चुना इस साल कैलिडियोस्कोप और PRSI अहमदाबाद चैप्टर की तरफ से कि हम उनके इस काम को सराहें कि उन्होंने इस पैंडेमिक के टाइम में किस तरह एक यूनिक वे में बच्चों को पढ़ाया और आगे किस तरह वो इस नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को एक मील का पत्थर मानते हैं। तो आइए, वेलकम है आपका इस एपिसोड में, जो ये तीसरा एपिसोड है हमारे कैलिडियोस्कोप में, जिसमें हम नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के तहत कुछ जाने माने स्कूल्स, प्रिंसिपल्स, एडुकेटर्स और हम मुलाकात पे निकले कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सोशलाइट्स के साथ। हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग व्यूअर फ्रेंड्स। टुडे वी आर एट श्री सत्य साई विद्या मंदिर स्कूल and this kaleidoscope will take you to a different world, a different journey. Very happy to have with us Salome Gupte, who is a canine behaviorist, who is a wonderful animal trainer, and today we are with her to understand the key to happiness. Good morning, Salome.
Good morning, Subodh.
Great to see you. This is the kaleidoscope
Thank you.
from us. And who is this lovely guest who is there with us?
So today we have our therapy dog Maska, and Maska's job is to spread happiness and love wherever he goes, and they are specially trained to do therapy work, to work with special kids, adults and children, and they've been under training for almost a year and a half, and we are honored to be a part of Shri Satya Sai school today to give us this opportunity so that we could come and take some stress away from the teachers, and with the interaction we think everyone is just happy and no one wants to go back home, which is how it should be.
So what did these dogs do with these educators?
So today, since tomorrow is 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, we were invited today to be a part of the school program, school assembly, and the dogs interacted with the teachers and Principal Uma ma'am. And I could see that everyone was just happy the moment we walked in. They were more happier to see the dogs than to meet us, and this is what it's all about. This is what Key to Happiness stands for, that we would want to bring a smile to everyone's face.
And I will like to add one dimension to it, that this new education policy actually, says that we should try to teach kids differently, try to reach out to the education system differently. How do you think this
So I think when we teach children compassion through only notebooks or sitting in a class, you really can't create that sense of empathy till they go and interact with animals. And we as people who come from the animal background is something that we would want kids to think out of the box, get them out of the classrooms and make them interact with animals, so that all the misconceptions and notions that we have about dogs or any other animal is taken care of. Because I think kids are apprehensive कि कुत्ता काट नहीं लेगा, but जब तक आप interact नहीं करोगे आपको समझ भी नहीं है. And more than that, कैसे interact करना है. I think compassion अगर सिखाना है तो classroom के बाहर निकल के ही वो होगा, classroom में बैठ के नहीं होगा. And I think the new education policy is going to be a change maker for the schools and the education system. So we are hoping that we have more supporters like Uma ma'am to kind of help us take this concept everywhere.
Oh, that's a lovely thought. So friends, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर मस्का, जो एक्चुअली स्कूल में आए हैं टीचर्स और बच्चों को मस्का मारने के लिए. और ये आई एम श्योर इस तरह का मस्का मारेंगे that loving dogs and taking care of them will have a new dimension. Also, we wish all our viewers a happy Animal Welfare Day, which is coming on the 4th of October, and we really feel that we should show more compassion and love to these lovely animals.
Good morning. Thank you, Uma ma'am from Shri Satya Sai Vidya Mandir, who's been with us and who's been kind enough to invite us and our therapy dogs to our school. Sairam ma'am, and
Sairam.
We would like to know about how your experience has been today.
I think I have no words. Right from the time when Shubhajit sir called me to say, ki, Uma ma'am, are you having something on the Thursday? I said, we always have. And he said that I want to bring somebody, and when he told about Salome and her lovely canine friends, I was like extremely happy. I didn't know what to say. I have never interacted with dogs. मैंने कभी मुझे dogs बोलने में भी कैसा लग रहा है. I have never interacted with these friends. और थोड़ा मेरी बेटी भी बहुत डरती है, लेकिन पता नहीं कुछ था जो जब से ये सुनी हूँ कि we are going to have कुल्फ़ी, मस्का एंड मलाई with us, और उसके साथ स्काई और स्नो भी आ गए, तो कुछ एक अजीब सी खुशी थी. आज सुबह सुबह बहुत जल्दी मैंने खाना बना लिया. मेरे घर पे एवरीबडी वाज टेलिंग व्हाट्स रॉन्ग और व्हाट्स राइट. आई सेड इट्स अ थर्सडे. तो बोले थर्सडे तो तुम चाहती है. 7:30 आई वाज इन स्कूल व्हेन नोबडी वाज देयर. तो मुझे लगा ये लोग आने के पहले मैं आ जाऊँ. एंड थैंक यू सो मच सलोमी. द थैंक यू इज फ्रॉम आवर साइड. माई टीचर्स हु आर शायद द ओनली आई से हैप्पी स्कूल इज़ अ गुड स्कूल. आई कीप रिमाइंडिंग माई सेल्फ दैट. तो अभी जो टाइम्स है वो बहुत अनयूजुअल है, ख़राब नहीं है, अनयूजुअल है. तो हाउ वी टेक इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आज मुझे कुछ नया मिला है टू स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस. दीज लिटिल एनिमल्स, दीज ब्यूटिफुल कैनाइन फ्रेंड्स कैन स्प्रेड सो मच हैप्पीनेस. ये तो मैंने इमेजिन भी नहीं किया था. मेरे कुछ टीचर्स हैं, प्राजक्ता दीदी और कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे बहुत डरते हैं. अभी मैं देख रही हूँ वो लोग उनके साथ बैठ के हंस रहे हैं, बिस्किट खिला रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक everybody's ultimate goal in life is to be happy, whether you're an engineer or a doctor or a teacher or whatever it is. That is an entity which passes away, but I think we need to be happy with what we are doing. So I could see the same happiness in your team, and I don't remember all the name, with your canine friends, those who are thinking of something very out of the box kind of thing. A therapy with animals, with lovely animals, जिससे लोग डरते हैं. आप स्ट्रीट पे देखोगे तो आप भागोगे, वो पीछे आपके भागते हैं और बहुत लोग काट भी लेते हैं. बट ब्यूटिफुली सेड बाय ऑल ऑफ यू दैट लव begets लव. तो हम प्यार देते हैं. तो ये देखिए, ये स्नो है नहीं,
दैट्स मस्का.
मस्का, ये मस्का बन कितना प्यारा है, कितना प्यारा है. बड़ा सा है लेकिन ही इज सो फ्रेंडली. तो आई हैव नो वर्ड्स. सलोमी, थैंक यू. शुभजीत सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
मैं आपको ले चलूँगा एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्कूल में, कैलोरेक्स पब्लिक स्कूल, और हम बात करेंगे उनकी प्रिंसिपल श्रीमती निराली डगली जी से कि वो इस नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के जो ये काल है उसके बारे में वो क्या कहना चाहती. हाय फ्रेंड्स, सो इन कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ आवर जर्नी टू विजिट मेनी esteemed education institutes in search of understanding this entire new policy called the National Education Policy. Today we are here at the Calorex Public School, Ghathudia, and I am so happy to have our Honorable Nirali ma'am here with us. Hi Nirali ma'am, thanks for joining us. We have been waiting for some time to come here during this COVID period, but we really wanted to come here and have this chit chat with you. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us on that webinar session and sharing your thoughts.
It was our pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Calorex Public School friends have always been a part of a lot of the campaigns of PRSI Ahmedabad chapter, and creatively their children have been showing their talent and skills. And thanks to educators like Nirali ma'am who have been, guiding us, coordinating with us all the time. So, ma'am, this new national education policy, how do you look at it?
As an educator, I feel that a lot of good new changes are expected because it is going to focus more on learning outcomes rather than the rote learning that was a part of our system since long. So a lot of new initiatives have been put up, as well as, of course, those pedagogies were always there as in education. But now they are enforcing that it should be a part of our day-to-day dealing with the students as well as along in the curriculum. They are also putting forward that there will be changes in the NCF too. So that will create a big wave of change in the education system, I feel, and of course the coming generations will really get benefited with this.
So nice, ma'am. And you have been an avid reader, you are an avid traveler. All this thought about the Matribhasha being promoted till class 5, how do you see that?
The research says that the kid learns more faster in their own mother tongue. And as I worked earlier with the projects which were related to the rural schools, and I have myself seen that the kids, they pick up the mother tongue words more faster than a foreign language, because for us English has always been a foreign language and it will be, and because India has so many languages, of course the mother tongue, so teaching in mother tongue will make an effect. But yes, there are different thinking related to this, that how will the kids cope up later on. They have learned basics in mother tongue and then going to a foreign language. So this is still, I think, a matter of research.
Okay. And you feel that the policy is well formulated, but as you were rightly saying earlier also, that implementation is going to be a challenge.
Of course, that has always been for everything. Implementation to the root level, unless it happens, it will not give the results. It may be any policy, any kind of new scheme we bring. But even if for a shopkeeper, if there is a new scheme, if it doesn't reach to each customer, the scheme doesn't work. It is similarly like that, and education is a huge fraternity. There are various people who have a different thought process. Of course, everybody has their own thought process. So what works and what doesn't work, we'll also understand once we start implementing.
And finally, ma'am, we saw a huge collage of the happy world that Calorix Public School is. I think your school and your educators are already doing a lot to bring creative learning at the doorstep. With this new policy, will it change anything in the way you have already been teaching?
I think it's a very lovely question for me, because I would say that the new education policy asks us to include experiential learning, to include project-based learning, look at the learning outcomes in a different way. But we have already been doing all this since almost many years, because Calorix has always been one notch above in all these initiatives. And if it's digital learning also, when we had to get to a digital platform, it was not difficult for us, because we had been doing it earlier. My kids were used to online exchange with the Australian students and all. So, but with the implementation, yes, it may become a regular part the way it was with us. But the new teachers whom we will take, they will also come with that mindset that this is the way we are working. So we are also looking forward, still getting much more better, because there is always a chance of getting best from the better.
So thank you so much, ma'am. It was such a wonderful interaction with her, because believe me, friends, for all these years we have been seeing that any new initiative we come up with, Calorix Public School has always been a front runner. Their children have been a winner of some, whole state level activities we have done, and we could see the creativity and the talent getting nurtured. So with this new policy, as rightly Nirali ma'am says, you will see this school and this educator as one of the front runners of this thing. And from Kaleidoscope, PRSI Ahmedabad chapter and Calorix Public School, we wish all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow, what an interesting interaction I had with her. तो आपने देखा कि किस तरह से निराली जी ने अपने सारे thoughts को हमारे सामने present किया, and she is very confident that this policy will open up new doors and opportunities. इसके बाद हम आपको एक वीडियो इंटरव्यू दिखाएंगे, क्योंकि कोविड का काल है, हर जगह पे जाना, यस हम गए, हम प्रिंसिपल्स को मिले, लेकिन हर समय ये नहीं पॉसिबल होता है कि आप जो है सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग भी फॉलो करना है, नॉर्म्स भी फॉलो करने हैं. इसलिए हमने सुदेशना भोजिया जी को रिक्वेस्ट किया, जो विसामो किड्स फाउंडेशन की राइट नाउ शी इज़ द कोऑर्डिनेटिंग मैनेजर, टू हेल्प अस अंडरस्टैंड कि वो किस तरह से देखती हैं इस नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को.
The NEP 2020 is a bold attempt to reimagine education in India. The new policy, based on the pillars of access, equality, quality, affordability, accountability, is surely going to transform India into a vibrant knowledge hub. For a more inclusive educational outreach and catering, the NEP proposes to set up the special education zones across the country to include the socially and economically disadvantaged groups. The policy is in tune with the ideals of Swami Vivekananda, where education is a manifestation of the perfection which is actually inherent in human beings. the vision of APJ Abdul Kalam ji, that education is capable of transforming humans as reflective, as creative beings, and the approach of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Antyodaya, of uplifting the weakest section of the society. This certainly gives strength to Visamo Kids Foundation, which has been working to empower lives from disadvantaged and underprivileged backgrounds across Gujarat by ensuring access to quality education in partnership with the network of NGOs and schools in Gujarat, especially in Ahmedabad. There is another part, the focus on enhancing the essential learning and critical thinking skills. So these are the winning formula, the skills that children would need much more than the grades in their respective subjects. EQ, there is a focus on EQ, not directly but certainly indirectly. Introduction of internship at the level of class 6, as early as in class 6, is certainly going to equip children with key skills such as problem solving, empathetic communication, listening deeply, analytical thinking. What are we seeing? It will teach children to observe, to learn through their experiences in diverse settings. So these are the welcome steps which the NEP has brought under its ambit. To end with, I am reminded of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore and his thoughts, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. That is NEP for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sudeshna ji. And finally, we come to the frontier where there is always a socialite, kind of a different kind of a educator जो हमारे इन episodes को promote करता है, support करता है, produce करने में help करता है, और इस तीसरे episode को प्रमोट करने के लिए, हमें हेल्प करने के लिए हमारे साथ में जुड़ी मिस सलोमी गुप्ते। वो की टू हैप्पीनेस डॉग प्रॉमिस करके जो है, शी इज़ अ वंडरफुल ट्रेनर, शी इज़ अ कैनाइन बिहेवियरिस्ट। उनका जो है एक अलग ही दुनिया है उनके पेट्स के साथ, उनके एनिमल वेलफेयर के साथ, एंड शी ऑल्सो हैड अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स टू से अबाउट दिस नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी। सो लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम Salomi Gupte. Hi all. So now we are into our third segment, of this entire concept of Happy Teachers Day and talking to the great educators about this new education policy. And as usual, we needed to have a socialite to take part in this session and in this segment. And we are very happy to introduce to you all Salomi Gupte, a very renowned canine behaviorist, and she is a dog trainer. And we will be telling you what brings her, on this forum, her to this forum. So hi Salomi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
And thanks for being a part of the Happy Teachers Day initiative. And I think, how was the experience of meeting with so many educators?
It was a good platform. It was kind of nervousness in the beginning to have so many teachers on board and to be amongst so many prominent educators of the city. I think it's been an honor for me because it's nice to see them, kind of helping us grow, to kind of encouraging us, and I think we have great examples around. And to meet them post the online series has also been good. To meet Sarmishta ma'am, to meet Nirali ma'am, it's been a pleasure, and there's always something new to learn from them. And I think for me, it's very encouraging to see strong women around encouraging the younger generation. So I think it's more nice like that to kind of just see women all around like leading, and hopefully in my industry I would set an example and make everyone proud.
Wow, that's a really nice thought coming from you, Saloni. So this new education policy, I think the day we heard about it, you seem to be also a bit excited to hear about what was happening and how you will be a part of this entire bandwagon. So what is about this policy which makes you happy?
I wish this policy had come when I was in school, because for us, apart from school, it was only sports period, that's about it, and drawing to a certain extent, but not really extracurricular. And I think technology also was not that big at that point of time to kind of tell us that, okay, what else could you do? I think when I cleared my 11th and 12th, there was only either take arts, science or commerce, three options. There weren't these many choices, whether it was fashion designing or whether it was, baking, for example, being a chef for that matter, or something as good as getting into a training field or training or vet services, anything for that matter. With the new education policy, I think it's a great initiative because I've been interacting with a lot of kids in the last 6 to 8 months. And somewhere I envy them because they have something which I did not have, or we did not have for that matter, that whole freedom to choose what needs to be done. If I am interested in arts, I can do arts. I don't have to sit in the maths class, forced to sit in the maths class when I don't like maths, So I think that policy is going to help kids identify what do they like, their choices. Schools are more open to it. Schools will be more open to the whole fact that let kids be kids, let them choose. It's fine if you do not score 100 in science or 100 in English.
Right.
But if you're amazing in drawing, explore that, let the child explore. I remember, which is very funny because since I was in school, I was like, I would do theatre. But my parents were like, theatre doesn't get you anything, theatre, ये कौन सा field है? Theatre में कहाँ से जाओगे? पढ़ो, college में जाओ, admission नहीं मिलेगा. So somewhere I still feel had I got that opportunity at that point of time, things would have been very different. I got opportunities much later in life, like probably in the last 7 years I can do things I want. And it's just technology that's helped us. Also, I think forcing kids to do something or to learn something within a particular subject is adding up to the stress.
Okay.
It's absolutely adding to the stress because they are like, ye bhi karna hai, wo bhi karna hai. I see kids carrying these big bags to tuitions. Their routine is around tuitions and school. But with the new policy, I think they can have that freedom of choosing, okay, I do not want to do this, and the parents do understand. And I think the biggest role is of the schools, because a lot of times schools do encourage that, but it's the parents who are like, nahi padhna to padega, tumhe ye karna padega. But when teachers and principals and schools come in and say that, okay, your child is good in this, let's explore that. I think that would be something amazing. Also, what we want to do with kids, like as a trainer, as a dog behaviorist.
I will come to that. I will come to that. I will like to ask you that in this pandemic time, COVID time, when there is so much of challenges and technology challenges, mental stress, this policy talks about mental well-being as well. There are many means and methods, but getting therapy dogs to schools and talking about QI for happiness, dog promise, what exactly are you up to, Saru?
So firstly, I think as individuals or as a society, we need to start accepting mental health as the way it is. It's not something to be looked down upon, frowned upon, which in our society still happens. Acha, mental health, counseling mein jaao, ye karte ho. All of us need it. As adults, you need it, she needs it, I need it, we all need it. What we saw when I was training and I started training, I would see if I would go with my pet to a restaurant, if I'm sitting outside, the watchman would have a smile. Signal pe agar khadi to cop ke muh pe smile tha, because people were happy. I happened to meet the right set of people while I was training, and that is what Key to Happiness is about, wherein we have 3 trained therapy dogs of our own who've been undergoing training for the last 1 year under me and this other trainer from Turkey called Gina. And these dogs will be working with kids, adults, and around all sector, across all sector, especially with special kids. Because in today's time, I think even though as technology and as families uh, are getting more nuclear, the kids do not have an outlet of speaking their mind because they're still apprehensive. वो अभी भी सहमे हुए हैं. They are like कि बात करना है, like मम्मी से बात करना है, but मम्मी बोलती प्रॉब्लम नहीं है प्रॉब्लम. अगर बच्चा बोल रहा है वो होगा ही, मतलब एड्रेस करो उसको. Don't put it under the carpet. That's where our dogs come into the picture.
Okay.
You tell the dog what is bothering you. You do not like something, you tell the dog. And that is how with our counselor on board, we help kids, adults, everyone just deal with their stress at this point of time.
At the Zoom program on that day, I could see you appealing and imploring to the principals and the educators that allow us to come to your school, meet the children, and meet Dr. Kulfi, Dr. Maska.
Dr. Maska,
Yeah,
Dr.
so-
Malai.
Dr. Malai. Okay, so what are they going to bring to the kids?
The first thing that I promise that these dogs will bring to you is a smile. And they are just going to take away that stress away from you for a while. For that particular time, that 1 hour, I'm sure everyone is just going to be like, we just want to be with the dogs. The reason I requested all teachers at that point of time, because it's a very new concept in Gujarat. Because first thing, dogs, it's, Asha, what is therapy dogs? We do know that, there are two sides to it. Some are like, Acha, how can a dog help? And there are some who are like, okay, you know what, maybe let's try it out. We know that these dogs are trained to a certain level that they would not show signs of aggression, they would not bark, they would not bite. Their vaccinations are up to date, health-wise they are in good health. So we do know as a responsible organization that is most important, so we take care of those needs. Secondly, for teachers or schools, we would say give it a chance. If nothing goes right, nothing will go wrong either. All that will happen is that those dogs will just come, smell, sniff around, spread joy and go back. It's fine if it doesn't work out, but that one chance is what we need to just show what these dogs are made up of.
Wow, I had a little interaction with Dr. Kulfi. He came to she came to a school, and as we say, Mary had a little lab, Salome Gupte has Dr. Kulfi. And the moment it entered into the cabin, the first thing she could realize was this is the principal's cabin. She walked up to the principal, started bowing on her feet, and she knew where the power center is coming from. So to all the principals and educators, on behalf of Salome, Doc Promise and Key to Happiness, we will request to give Dr. Kulfi, Dr. Maska and Dr. Malai a chance to come and visit your school, because somewhere down the line, their demand for love, their demand for, trying to understand the language they're speaking through their eyes, and the smile they can bring on your face, I'm sure it will take all the stresses away from your life. So thank you so much, Salome, for being a part of this, and we wish you all the best for
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And thank you, friends. मेरी तरफ से, मेरे डायरेक्शन हेड श्री हार्दिक पंचोली की तरफ से, जिनको आपने हमारे वीडियोस में देखा होगा, हम लोगों ने इस पूरी जर्नी को पिछले 1 महीने में जो है 5 सितंबर से ये शुरू हुई, अब आपके सामने प्रस्तुत हो रही है धीरे धीरे. इट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी एनकरेजिंग एंड इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी. देयर आर स्टिल मोर टू कम, सो वी विल कीप ऑन कमिंग बैक टू यू. लेकिन हमें लगता है कि इन एडुकेटर्स से मिलकर और इन लोगों से अलग तरीके से जानकर इस पूरे नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के तरह जो कैलिडोस्कोप का नज़रिया है वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंगली बढ़ गया है. वी रियली अप्रिशिएट द गवर्नमेंट. हमें लगता है शायद इस पॉलिसी से बच्चों की ज़िंदगी को बदलने के लिए उन्होंने भी शायद किसी कैलिडोस्कोप का यूज़ किया होगा. सो फ्रॉम गुजरात, फ्रॉम दिस सिटी ऑफ अहमदाबाद, वी congratulate the government for such a wonderful 108-page document which we could read, understand, take it to the various educators and bring their thoughts right at your doorstep. So सब इस तरह से कैलिडोस्कोप बहुत कुछ करेगा फ्रेंड्स. मैं आप सब लोगों से अपील करता हूं कि आप इसलिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए क्योंकि हम निरंतर प्रयास करके कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव डेवलपिंग चीज़ें आपके सामने लाते रहेंगे और यही हमारा वादा है। थैंक यू।